Hey guys, it's Ron here again. Today we're going to do a test on stability. We're going to do all three of these drones up in the air to see which one is the most stable. That's what this test is all about. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my honest opinion about all these drones. Guys, so right on the far end, you have the Mavic Pro. In the middle, you have the Evo. And at the very end, you have the Mavic Air. Just looking at it right now, I'm telling you, in my humbled opinion, I really think the Mavic Air is holding the strongest out of all of them. You can see the Mavic Pro shaking a little bit, the Evo even more, and then the Mavic Air is holding pretty strong. Alright guys, as you've seen, stability-wise, went to the Mavic Air, really close second, Mavic Pro, and a distant third, the Autel Evo. Pretty obvious that the Evo is losing altitude, just sitting there on a hover. Kind of concerned me a little bit, but does not make the Evo a bad drone. I'm going to kind of go over my honest opinion about these three drones when you're comparing them. And the biggest comparison is everybody likes to compare the Mavic Pro and the Evo. Mavic Air isn't really compared into the Evo, but I'm going to throw that in the mix because you're going to get some people out there that are like, wait a minute, that's old technology versus new technology. So I'm going to kind of give you my opinion on all three and what they're good for. The Mavic Pro is a solid drone, has just an okay camera. It takes a lot of editing to get the photos really good on the Mavic Pro. But all in all, it's a good drone, good solid stable drone. It's the originator of the compact segment. The Mavic Air has a really good camera on it as well. Same camera for photography as the Mavic Pro, but video just a skosh better than the Mavic Pro's camera. Both these drones super portable. This one's obviously more portable. The Mavic Air is a little bit faster, really fun to fly with all the flight modes that it has that the Mavic Pro does not have. And all in all, it's a pretty good drone. It's a fun little drone to fly. The downfall of the Mavic Air, though, is definitely the flight time. That's probably the biggest negative of the Mavic Air. Now, both these drones are both DJI drones, and so the things that come with DJI is a lot of restrictions. Max altitude on both these drones are 1,560 to 1,580 feet. It's 500 meters, which is plenty high, but that's the restriction on them. You also have fly zones that you get into, a lot of geofencing areas, and tons of updates every single day. So that's the drawbacks of this. On top of that, DJI's customer service has not been known to be the most positive, and I have not had any pleasant dealings with DJI, but they make a heck of a drone. Autel Evo, as you've seen, a little shaky there. Stability-wise, wasn't there. The flight modes are definitely lacking comparing to the other two drones. Connectivity though, I've gotten this 4 miles. If you go ahead and check out my other videos, you'll see that the Autel Evo made it 4 miles without any problems whatsoever. But connectivity is good. Now, camera-wise, the camera is ions and head and shoulders above the other two. I love the camera on the Evo. The controller on the Evo is probably the best on the market. I love the controller on there with the screen on the controller. There is no fly zone restrictions on the Autel Evo, and the altitude on the Evo, max altitude is 2,625 feet. Not that you ever have to fly that high, but again, when it comes to restrictions, you have a lot less restrictions. On top of that, phenomenal customer service with Autel Robotics. So guys, every single drone has positive and negatives. It's what's going to suit your needs the best. So guys, when you're looking at a drone and doing aerial photography, you need to sit down and say, which one's going to suit my needs the best? Is it going to be this one, this one, this one? And on top of that, there's plenty of other drones on the market as well. If you guys have any questions whatsoever about any of these drones that you see or any drones that you may be researching, go ahead and ask a question in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Or you can go ahead and hop in our Facebook group, the Quadfather and Drones United, both phenomenal groups. Links are down below. And if you want to purchase any of these drones, go ahead down into the link in the description to Drone-works. They'll be more than happy to take care of you. Guys, thanks for watching and happy flying, and take it easy.